Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you how to make sweet sour fresh oyster in Vietnamese way. I hope you gonna like it and let's start. So here are all ingredients we have for the dish today. All the fresh thing, fresh ingredient, fresh oyster, fresh coriander, fresh lamb and fresh onion. But the most important thing is the fresh oyster. Of course, I have just bought it from the market 15 minutes before, so now it is very fresh and juiciness. A bowl of ice to keep the oyster fresh and cool. Cover the eye with a plastic layer. Put oyster on top. Set aside to do the other things. Now that's the time to do the delicious dipping sauce. Hot pepper chili, use a spoon to stretch hot pepper chili into both. I need just a little bit because I don't like too spicy. Slightly spicy is enough. If you like spicy, you can add more. 5 cloves of garlic sliced into very thin slices. Add into both together with hot pepper chili. Sugar in. For tastier, we need some more fresh onion bulb. Give the bulb a slight press and slice. Onion in. Set aside for 5 minutes. Now prepare for herbs. Coriander, don't need to chop it finely, just like it. Some more green leaf of spring onion sliced too. Leave there. Fresh lamb juice squeezed in. Fish sauce, the sauce of Vietnamese recipe. 3 spoons in. Then herbs in. Mix up again. That's the dipping sauce done. Spread the sauce on the top of the oyster. Set aside for 10 minutes and let the oyster can absorb the flavor of the dipping sauce in. Then it's ready to be served. Look, this is very delicious. Wow, it's so delicious. Just amazing. Fresh juiciness of the oyster, crunchy, garlic, fragrant of onion and the coriander, sweet sour and slightly spicy. Very delicious, good for health and easy to prepare. Do you like it? Hope that you enjoy with my video. Remember subscribe to follow my video. Thank you for watching.